Hari Om. Solar plexus, Manipur chakra. 10 petals, yellow color. Affirmation: I am strong. The solar plexus chakra, located in your upper abdomen, is the center of your personal power and confidence. I am strong is an affirmation that empowers you to embrace your inner strength and resilience. It reminds you that you have the courage and determination that comes your way. Stand tall and confident, knowing that you are capable of achieving greatness. I am strong. 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 Bija mantra. Ram. 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 I am strong. Hari Om.